Hey guys, just taking some Christmas lights down here, and I just wanted to thank you for subscribing to my channel. My goal was 1,000 subscribers by Christmas. I didn't quite make the goal, but I'm still happy. I thank you very much. I did hit 950, and this is December 30th, so I may hit 960 by the end of this year of 2018 into 2019. I just wanted to say thank you for subscribing. If you need any help with anything, please let me know. Please ask the question down below. You can email me. I'll put my email down there, and you can email me. You can call me. You can message me, and I will answer. Well, I might not answer because I get a lot of other Google business listings phone calls, but just leave a message, and I will get back with you. I do like to help people, and my goal for 2019 is to help you, if you're in a business, to grow your business and to succeed. This year, I'm really happy to say I had almost 10 people that I trained this year, which really makes me happy, whether that was online training or in-person training. And out of those 10 people, um, about 8 was very successful with it. Very, very successful. They all made over 30 to 35,000 their first year. Most of their goals were either 20 or 25,000. So they succeeded their goal. So if you were looking for Christmas lights training, please check out the link below, or I will be having I will be having in live training this year. So if you would like me to come to your area and maybe do a class at your place, if you have the space, please let me know and I will do it, and we'll set up something where if we have so many people, you get your training free. So thank you very much, and I hope you have a happy new year, and I hope you really can blow your 2019 goals out of the water. Thank you and have a great day.